Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to prepare my own timetable by using my own method, because there are many people who suggest different methods of timetable and everything must be observed, and you should think that which one suits you better, because there is no such thing called as universal timetable. Each and every person must have their own customized timetable, because everybody's productive day, productive time, everything varies from one person to another person based on their capabilities. So there is a necessity to find out one's own capability to create their own timetable. That is because, as we already know, timetable plays an indirect role in cracking the examination. It's because syllabus might help us to crack the examination, but apart from syllabus, there are other things which are even more important than syllabus to crack the examination. Like, for example, be it discipline, be it time management, be it organizing skill, and ultimately the consistency. In order to get all these things, timetable is important. And we aspirant at one or the other point always struggle to make a timetable of our own. I'm saying this because even I have went through the same situation while I was creating my first timetable. So from the mistakes that I made while I was preparing my first timetable, I have learned a lot, and this time while preparing this timetable, I'm going to avoid those mistakes. If you want to know what were the mistakes I did and what are the things which I have learned from my past experience, do comment in the comment box and I'm going to make a video for you guys. So basically, all I am trying to say is that when you create a timetable, that is not going to become your ultimate timetable. You have to search for your own timetable by making trial and error method. The reason for me to make this new timetable is because I have joined the new classes, which is consuming around 5 hours of my day, which made it mandatory for me to renew my timetable. So, from my past experience, I have learned that while making a timetable, it is better to write down all the tasks and the things which you are supposed to do on that day in a single sheet. This is going to make the timetable making process much easier. So now let's start writing my task in a single sheet. Let's start. So usually I do study GS in a single stretch of around 4 hours. So I'm going to write the subject which I'm going to study with the approximate time which it is going to require. So the second thing is easier. I'm taking classes. I'm taking 2 classes in a day, therefore 3 hours is a minimum which I need. And then I go to attend classes which requires around 5 hours including the traveling period. I believe sleep is must for me to remember the things which I read. So the sleeping hours is around 7 to 8 hours for me in my timetable, and half an hour I have kept it for extracurricular activities. Sometimes I do extracurricular activities and sometimes I do not. So my timetable trial 1 is almost getting over, and I have got 8 hours for study, 3 hours for class, and 5.5 hours break, along with sleep of 7 hours. So I'm going to try this. I hope so this timetable works for me. I will upload the complete recorded video of my day in which I follow this timetable. So this is all is about experimenting the timetable making for an aspirant. Stay tuned to see the result. Thank you.